These are the landing gear lights, and I turn the switch on and we have lights. Turn the switch off. Now navigation lights. Turn the switch on. You have strobe lights. Another strobe light. Navigation lights. And let's see, where is it? There it is. The green light and the red wingtip light. This is a little assembly that I got on eBay for navigation lights for a radio controlled airplane. And in my case, I got a helicopter. And it's just run with a 4.8 volt battery pack, rechargeable, with the connectors for the receiver. And there it is. Turn these on. There we go. So, there it is.